Broom, peace sign, and big sound box. When them days there, Jamaica politics back in the day, Lord, it was like a street dance and campaign fever. PNP comrades run out with broom in them hand, sweeping out the green them. The JLP them a shout, power to the people, coined by Michael Manley himself. JLP crew, peace sign high, campaign colors pan fence, bicycle, even donkey cart repping Eddie Siaga vibes. And who could forget them famous lines? Saltfish as shingle house, a 4 proverbs promising prosperity, and no bastard, no day again, delivered by PJ Patterson during the PNP's 75th anniversary speech, echoing the cause for equal rights. From town criers to sound system, rattling your windows to people who only come for curry goat, politics did sweet. But today, the bandwagon vibes replaced by flashy motorcades, branded merch, non-stop live stream, social media blitz and billboard slogans. So me ask you, what is the driving force behind Jamaica politics today? Link up with me, Satideh morning runnings, where culture meets conversation, this Saturday at 10 a.m. live on Voices with Lady D, where every voice has power on YouTube. See you then.